How to add an admin on Facebook page. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to add an admin on Facebook page. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Professional Dashboard. On your Facebook page, tap the menu button. Scroll down a little and select Professional Dashboard. Step 2. Add admin. Scrolling down a little more, you will find Page Access. Tap it, then select Add New beside People with FB Access. From there, search for a user's name and tap it to add them in. And that's it! That is how you add an admin on Facebook page. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!